Hello lovely people, hobby gardeners, farmers and DIY lovers. Thank you for finding this channel. It's your boy, I am Will, and today we're just going to farm and DIY. After watching countless fascinating YouTube videos on Papaya Air Layering, I flew 3,000 miles across the Atlantic from UK to Ghana to do my own cloning experiment. Watch this video to see if I was successful or not. Watch the entire video to the end. Do not skim through it because I have some tips to share with you and a secret that no other YouTube video on air layering will share with you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification button to get ding whenever there's a new update. Also share, comment, like, you know the things. Now the top secret. You'd be disappointed to think that any papaya hanging on your clone plant will continue to mature. This is absolutely not true because your roots are not developed enough and would only support the growth of the leaves. Your papaya will start to grow after a couple of months. Hey, thank you for watching this video to the end. As promised, here are the tips. Tip 1. Do not plant your clone plant directly into the field or its final position if you live in a tropical or a rainy area. This is because the roots have not germinated enough to support the entire plant and will drown and rot. Tip 2. Plant in a planter or pot. This will help you control the amount of water your plant gets. Tip 3. Keep your plant away from direct sunlight as the roots are still not developed enough to support the entire plant. Finally, keep your plant from any potential damage that may be caused by humans or animals. Continue to subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, and I'll show you in the next video why I had to sentence 3 of my goats for eating my experiment.